Ooh, look at that chip there, huh? Good. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This is not supposed to happen at Park B. They're already out of park rangers over there. Man, what are they doing in California? What to do. I know. Check Park Ranger LB's instruction sheet for what to do when they're out of park rangers at Park B. Oh, of course. Call in more park rangers. Okay, so we press this, and this, and this. Okay, yeah, there we go. There's a list. Okay. Man, this is just such a good list. Why does he always put so many good park rangers in here? See, I know. Yes. Now the computer's done the work for me and chose the next park ranger. All right. Okay, let's see. Now I just need to get them to report for duty. Not duty. Duty. Okay, here we go. There. Alert sent to report for duty. Speaking of duty, that reminds me. I gotta go clean up the Stegosaurus paddock. Oh, okay. Take my chips and go get the shovel.
Was that a Dinosaurus? We've never had one of those here before. Did you two see that? A Dinosaurus just flew by.
Where? There's nothing there.
It was just here.
But we don't have any of those dinos at this park.
I know, but it looked exactly like it. Pete will be back. You'll see. Anyway, you must be the new ranger. I'm Park Ranger Zoey.
And I'm Park Ranger Naomi.
I'm Cameron. Cam for short.
Well, it definitely matches you.
Oh yeah, I just love capturing the awesome moments of each day. I hope I can capture some cool dinosaurs while I'm here.
Well, just make sure you don't share it with the rest of the world. We have to keep the ranch a secret to keep our dinos safe and so that no secret dino agents take them away.
Copy that. These will be for our dino database only.
Good. Speaking of, we have a video from our dino database for you.
Welcome to T-Rex Ranch. You're officially a park ranger. How cool is that? Make sure to learn all the dinosaurs, all your gadgets, and all the shortcuts there at the ranch so you can always get away from T-Bone. You're a park ranger now, so it's your job to keep from getting eaten by all these dinosaurs. I know you're gonna do great. Good luck at Park B.
Thanks, Park Ranger Aaron. That was a masterpiece.
So, let's go train you on how to give the dinos some water. Park Ranger Naomi, can you stay behind and update our dino guidebook? Maybe you could add Pete the Dino?
Maybe. I'll wait until it's confirmed.
Fair enough. Let's go. So this thing can be finicky, so make sure you aim it away from your face or you might get splashed. There he is again!
Where?
Ah, Cam!
Oops, sorry.
Aw, he's gone now. Wow, he's fast.
When training goes wrong.
Hey!
Sorry, just documenting to learn.
Fair enough. Let's go. Don't put that on the dino database. I probably look really silly.
Yeah, you do.
I saw Pete again!
I didn't see him.
Are you sure it wasn't that Pteranodon again? She's a troublemaker.
Yes, I'm sure.
But I couldn't find anything about Pete in the dino database.
I know, but I really saw him. He's in a dangerous area of the park. I have to go save him.
Right now? We need to feed the dinos. Right now.
You two get started on the dino feedings. I have to go save Pete.
Are you sure you're not chasing another conspiracy?
No, I'm not. I promise. He's in the carnivore area of the park, and it's very dangerous, and I have to go get him out of there. Pete! Come on, I know you're out there somewhere. Give me a sign, buddy. I knew it. Now I just need to put up the dome laser fence so I can keep you in this area where it's safe and where people will believe me. Oh. gonna find you, Pete, if it's the last thing I do. Pete!
That was fun. Those herbivores sure were hungry.
Yeah, they're my favorite dinos to feed.
Can I record you talking about herbivores? It'll help new rangers learn.
Learn from me? Sure.
Park Ranger Naomi, why are herbivores your favorite?
Because they're easy to deal with. And they eat plants. And they won't try to eat us. But they can get a little cranky. So you have to be careful. Come on! Hey, we need the bike to feed the carnivores.
Just wait! I've almost got him! Be right back! Stay here!
But we need to feed the dinos soon. And you've never run from a big, scary T-Rex before?
It's okay. I can do it, really.
Okay, but you have to do whatever I say. That T-Rex is no joke.
Got it. I'll follow your lead.
Wait, I got something for your video.
Really? Awesome!
A good leader doesn't wait around for things to get done. She does them herself.
That was so good!
Thanks. I want to be a senior park ranger someday. Come on.
Pete! Where you at, boy? I got some yummy snacks for ya. Where are you? Oh, not you, Pteranodon. Oh, guess I owe you lunch. Have a fish. Bon appetit. Pete!
We have to get out of here now.
Oh, please, can I just get one glimpse of T-Bone? A quick one?
Fine, but you have to be really quiet. Here.
Gotta have Park Ranger Asher teach me how to use this thing. Pete? Still there, buddy? Haha, there you are. Wait a minute. Oh no, you're right by the carnivores. If I put up the dome fence now, you'll be safe and secure inside this area. And away from the carnivores, away from danger. Maybe I can get Cam to snap a couple of pictures for proof. Yes! Attaboy, now you're safe. Aw, look at that. You're still flying around. You're getting kind of close. Still going. You're getting a little too close. Are you flying at me? You're flying at me! Ah! Oh no! Ah!
Whoa, there he is.
As long as we stay quiet and low, the T-Rex won't notice us. Cam, quiet and low!
Hold on, this lighting is perfect.
Cam, we can't risk him seeing us!
This is my passion, Naomi. A real artist like me needs to take risks.
Remember the time you filmed to go and it kicked you in your bone?
Naomi?
Well, remember when you filmed Crow and it broke your legs?
Naomi!
Well, it's gonna be a lot worse if you get caught by a
T-Rex!
Who are you running from?
Pete's chasing me!
T-Bone's chasing us!
Or was? Guess he found his lunch. Pete is real.
I'm so sorry I didn't believe you.
It's okay. But with all the kooky things that go on around here, I don't blame you. But how are we going to escape without Pete chasing us? He's so fast.
Maybe we need some sort of distraction.
Maybe, but I'm all out of fish. Oh, there he goes.
Oops. Sorry. I didn't mean to use the flash.
Cam, you did it. You saved us.
Yeah, no apology necessary. You spooked him, and now you saved us. Without us even having to run. Good job.
Oh, thanks.
Let's go. Mission log 620. Sometimes finding a dinosaur means it turns around and finds you. So, be prepared.
They're uploading all footage to the Dino database.
Wait a minute. We have an unread message from earlier.
Hey, Park Rangers, how you doing? We're getting a little backed up here. We're gonna send over some more dinos.
Oh, that's where Pete came from. You should send him your picture of Pete. There. All right. How about some cake, Ranger? You earned it.
And you earned this.
Cool. Thanks.
Who wants some cake?
Me.